So, good evening, everyone. Now, we are going to discuss a topic plastic pollution. So, we will discuss this topic in a question format. I will ask some questions to you about plastic pollution, so you have to answer. One by one, I will invite everyone. So, first, I am inviting Harshit Agrawal. So, actually, we are going to discuss about plastic pollution. So, if we are going to discuss about plastic pollution, so plastic and pollution both are different things. Okay, actually, pollution is created by plastic. So, first, I am asking to Harshit, what is plastic? Yes.
Plastic is a high molecular organic polymer that comprises from so many gases like carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and another gases.
Harshit, do you know? Is there any one kind of plastic or different kind of plastic?
Sir, I think there is different kind of plastic like high quality and low quality.
Actually, there are lots of qualities in plastics available right now. Means some means high quality, low quality plastics. Okay, means actually be used according to the means our need. Okay, next. Purvi, please come on the stage. Next question is that why is plastic useful or why plastic is useful?
Plastic is useful because it is bioless and it is used in all countries and all people like to use it because it is bioless.
Okay, I am not satisfied with this answer. Okay, next I am inviting Arnav. So why is plastic useful? Why is plastic useful?
Because it is lightweight and we can use anywhere easily. It is rust proof and etc.
Good. Next, Samyak, please come on the stage. You have to answer same. Why is plastic useful? Why is plastic useful?
So there are many advantages like it's not working, it is cheap and it is also lightweight. And by plastic we can pack food and when we are somewhere, so when we are feeling thirsty, so we can buy water bottles also. That's all.
Next, Tejal, please come on the stage. Actually, same questions. I am not satisfied with all the answers. Why is plastic useful?
Okay, so plastic is useful because as everyone told about, it is lightweighted and cheap. So it is true, but plastic is useful because it is means not that much heavier as it is lightweighted, and it is really useful because it can come in different varieties through our need.
So right now we have discussed about plastic and why is plastic useful. So now our topic is plastic pollution. We are going to discuss about plastic pollution. So I am inviting Paridhi. Paridhi will tell about what is plastic pollution. What is plastic pollution? You have to come from here. Okay, not there. Yes, come. What is plastic pollution?
Plastic pollution is very harmful for us and it is mainly caused by plastic. And plastic is very polluting because when it is made, it produces so many types of means unpleasant gases, and so many people burn it also, and it produces so many harmful gases which are not good for us and which are very harmful for us.
Okay, that's good. But yes, Paridhi, go from there. Next, Harsh. Same question. What is plastic pollution? What is plastic pollution?
Plastic pollution is a type of pollution and it's very harmful for us, animal and environment. And because I am giving you an example like we take some spoiled rust chapati and some any type of food, and we take it in polythene and we throw it anywhere, and then some animals come and eat it. But then the plastic kills the cows. And second example is that if we take the polythene in the inside the soil.
Actually, first you have to tell a pollution that caused by plastic, so it's called plastic pollution. Okay, next, Ayush, please come on the stage. Come fast. After Yashraj. So actually, where you can see the plastic pollutions.
we can see the plastic pollutions mostly in the factories and mostly in the making of any items or any expensive things. As we all know that in India there are so many items manufactured normally, like such as you can also see that in computer or in mobile you can see some plastic materials of plastic.
Next, Yashraj, please come on the stage. Your question is, where does plastic come from?
Plastic come from factories because many of factories use plastic for their use and other things. Plastic is also made up of made up of comprised many type of gases like sulfur, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. And other.
That's all. The last question or next question is, next question is that, why is plastic terrible for the environment? Why is plastic terrible for the environment? Yes, Manvi.
Okay, so there are so many ways by which plastic is terrible for environment. Like if we use plastic, so after use they not recyclable, and we if we can't burn it, it produces gases affects our environment, animals.
Divyansh. So Divyansh, you have to give an example of plastic pollution nearby your area.
Our nearby area, like in part number 5, where the old garbage dumps through, and where we can also see that so they pollute our land, so that's affect our soil also.
Very good. Next, Christy, come on the stage. Why does plastic affect? Sorry, how does plastic affect the air? How does plastic affect the air?
So I think that the plastic affects the air in many ways, and also when we burn the plastic, and as we know it takes 200 years to get decomposed. So when we burn it, first it doesn't get decomposed, and it produces a very harmful gas which goes to our air, and which is not good for living beings.
Next, how can we reduce plastic pollution? How can we reduce plastic pollution?
We can reduce plastic pollution to less use of plastic, and we can less plastic we can less plastic we can use less plastic, and we should not use plastic.
I am not satisfied with this answer. How can we reduce plastic pollution?
There are many ways by which we can reduce plastic pollution, like we can use carry handbag instead of using poly bags. We can use steel utensils instead of using plastic spoon, cups, or etc. So we should use less of plastic, so we can then we can reduce plastic.
Because you will also add, how can we reduce plastic pollution or plastic free environment?
Yes, we can reduce plastic to so we can spread the awareness of ban on plastic, and shopkeeper should also shopkeeper should also not use plastic, and shopkeeper use not plastic, bag of paper, and bottle of paper.
So next I'm inviting Shrey. So Shrey, I'm asking to you, do you know government has already banned single-use plastic?
Yes, government has already started off the single-use plastic, and it means went, and ban means we can see in many places, like we can see this also the poster, there is a notice, we are banned the plastic, and government are also means just try to ban on the supply of plastic.
Is there anyone who have knowledge about single-use plastic? Yes, come. Yes. What are single-use plastic items?
like single-use plastic. Plastics are those things, like it can be used once and it cannot be used again and again. Like there are three means 5 hours of reuse and reduce and all. So single-use plastic is that kind of plastic which can be used once only, so it can be harmful for our environment because it cannot be renewable. So there are many examples like polythene.
Yes, actually there are lots of examples of single-use plastic, and our government has already banned the single-use plastic. Actually, it's very harmful for our environment. Actually, we cannot recycle for that kind of plastic. Some plastic actually we can recycle, so actually we can use again and again. But single-use plastic actually it directly decompose in our. Actually, it takes so many years to decompose via the soil and all. So it pollute our environment, water, soil, and all, etc. Okay. Next, Garv. So just tell about some plastic pollution.
Plastic pollution is a pollution type. We throwing the plastic we anywhere and all we so and we plastic some chemicals.
So just you have to conclude this topic, plastic pollution.
In conclusion, I want to say that plastic is very harmful, and our central board of pollution have banned the plastic, and there is an also fact that India produced 9.46 million tons of plastic in one day. So we have to reduce the amount of plastic, and also about 43% of the plastic is wasted in India.
Yes, very good. So right now we have already discussed some points about plastic pollution. So we will complete this video here. So please stay tuned with us. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Okay, goodbye.